Understanding the targeting of vulnerable workers. In today's society, it's becoming increasingly alarming to witness how certain groups, such as construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers, are often the first targets for harassment and stalking. This raises a significant question: why are these individuals singled out? The unsettling truth is the reasons are both complex and deeply rooted in systemic issues. The nature of targeting. Construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers often work in public spaces and face unique challenges. Being in constant view makes them easy targets for harassment. They become the focal point for irrational hostility stemming from broader societal tensions and frustrations. Systemic bullying and organized stalking. What's increasingly prevalent today is a phenomenon known as organized stalking. This form of harassment involves coordinated efforts to intimidate and disturb individuals. It transcends mere bullying and suggests a disturbing pattern aimed at controlling or influencing the behavior of the victim. The tactic may involve individuals whispering derogatory comments from a distance. For a more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.